they might have to work outside Bangkok or in suburban area, but they can still be able to get into the education within that mode. For example, in discussion, let's say we would like to discuss about something together, but Professor Park is away. Maybe he's having a good holiday in Jeju Island, but we need to discuss. So instead of having to be in the same room, what should we do? Maybe he uses his mobile phone, and then we can see his smiley face, and we can discuss, and we can still have knowledge at the same time. So that is what we are doing research on. Okay, and the research itself has suggested to us that all the teachers have used discussion group, and all the teachers have believed that discussion group can benefit a lot if we apply mobility into it. Okay, so this slide shows you top 5 and bottom 5 of the modes. The top 5 would start from discussion group, forum, brainstorming, conference, and bus group. But other 5 modes that the teachers believe would not benefit from mobility are interview, institute, listening team, personal visit, and this one is office visit. These 2 are obvious because when we talk about visit, we need to really visit, right? But these 3, interview, somehow people believe that when doing interview, if we can see eye to eye, that may be better way of conveying knowledge. So these 5 bottom, these 5 are the top ones. And we also survey teachers' perception of the modes. Okay, this slide shows top 3 and bottom 3 results. The result may be quite simple. For the discussion group, from the 14 teachers, they say that they really believe that discussion group could be improved if we apply the mobility into it. Okay, and the full score is 5. This one scores 4.79 out of 5. So this is a kind of strong perception. In contrast, if we have a look at the office visit, from 5, the full score is 5. Not many people believe that mobility could improve the office visit. So this is the score that they have. If you would like to know the questions that we survey, I have the links in the slide or in the book that you have. If you turn to page 131 in that big book, then you can have a look at the question sets and more details of the research methodology that we use for this testing. This slide, before I conclude my talk, sum up. I mentioned in the IDM there are 22 modes. Okay, clearly based on the finding, we can divide them into 2 groups. These 11 modes are the modes that Thai teachers like to use, and also are the modes that Thai teachers believe that mobility will help. But these 11 modes are the ones that Thai teachers don't really use, and also don't believe that mobility will improve them. So, well, this is just based on the 14 teachers. Right now we are sending out survey to all the teachers at the higher education level in Thailand to confirm this. Okay, we need them to confirm this. Once we be able to do that, we may have similar sets or different sets, but surely we will share the result with everyone here. Okay, hopefully this could be indicator of how we can shape up education of Thailand, of the region, of the APEC economies, or of the world. Okay, conclusion. My conclusion is just talking about limitation of my work. Okay, this study used only teachers from Thailand Cyber University. So right now, as I said, we are extending the testing. We are now asking lecturers from all over Thailand. Hopefully, they will be able to help us find a better set of the IDM. And also we hope that after that we may be able to also test the result with other countries in APEC economies or even beyond. Okay, and as I said, if you would like to find more information, for example, research methodology or research questions, please visit this link. This is APCJ journal, the latest issue. So this has concluded my talk. So if you like, please click the like button. Okay, thank you very much.
Finish timely. Do you have any question?
I have several questions about the presentation. First one, are you developing different clients for the mobile phones or using a specific software already developed
Okay.
for the delivery methods?
My answer is no. We are not talking about technology side. We're just talking about general usage of the delivery mode.
Yeah, but what I mean is, for example, you have different cell phones or different mobility devices. You need to have maybe different delivery methods. It's not just the technology.
You are correct.
Because depending on the size of the screen, on the software that it uses and everything, maybe you should consider this kind of things.
You are correct. Actually, that is our next phase. We are talking about that. And also, not only that part, if you can see the 22 modes, okay, for example, let's say number 19, computer network. The others of this mode, they created this list in 2004. During that time, social media, like the one you just mentioned, Facebook, etc., has so little impact. In 2004, not many people use Facebook. We did not know about LinkedIn during that time. Okay, so when we're talking about computer